The ROKR Justice Guard Submachine Gun. Fire at will. This thing multi-fires rubber bands and ejects wooden bullets. My wife got me this for Christmas, and I just got around to building it. It's 275 pieces, and it's a level 4 out of 5 building difficulty. It's a gear-driven model. It's a mortise and tenon joint build, and it fires rubber bands as bullets. It says you can shoot up to 12 rubber bands, but the magazine that holds the wooden bullets only holds 10. It's a fairly straightforward build. Just follow the instructions that are really large and well put together. There's also videos you can watch that they point you online to for some of the more difficult sections of the build, but I never did that. The website said it takes about 5 hours, but that took about 3 weeks because I worked on it overnight and different time periods. I'm not doing a detailed how to build video, just kind of an overview of the build and the gun itself. In addition to the mortar and tenon, there's also a lot of screws and springs and little rods and bushings that you have to put together also. The wooden pieces are easily pushed out of the wooden boards they're cut out of with your thumbs or fingers. The one thing that did mess with me was that you have to wax certain parts, and there was no wax included in the kit. But as I finally read on the instructions, it said that there was no wax due to customs regulations for shipping wax in the box. I just got a small candle from the wife, and it worked great. You wax the parts of the gun that move to shoot the thing. The pieces and tabs fit very tight, and also the design locks the gun together, and then you kind of cap it off with the screws to hold it all together. The gun is 697 times 138 times 178 millimeters. You can do the math to convert to inches, but it's right around 27 inches long. Compared to a real Thompson submachine gun, it's 0.8 to 1, or 80% the true size of a Thompson. It is a pretty good size, and it's got a good feel in your hands. The weight is good too, but it's not too heavy. It's got some pretty detailed laser etching on it. This side says Battlefield Dominator. The other side has a saying, "When the blast of war blows in our ears, then imitate the action of the tiger, disguise fair nature with hard-flavored rage." I'm not sure what that means. If you know, let me know in the comments. Well, that's the completed build. Ready to load it up with the shells and the rubber bands and see how this baby fires. It's pretty easy to load the magazine up with the wooden bullets. They just pop right in. It's a straight, it doesn't go around. It goes straight down and holds 9. After you got it loaded, you take the magazine and slide it into the side of the gun, and the little lever there clicks in and locks it in place. Then you push up on the little slide there to make it eject. It's really easy to load the rubber bands up. You just put it on the front, hook it to the back wheel, and after you hook it on, click it back. And then you add the next one and do the same thing. You put the last rubber band on the bolt, and you're ready to shoot. They also sell a AK-47 version of this that I think I'll look into getting, because this one's pretty nice, and I bet the AK-47's even better. It shoots really quick. Here's a slow motion shot of the rubber bands going forward and the bullets popping out. The gun goes for about 40 bucks. You can find it on eBay, or I found it on Temu for the middle 30s. I hope you enjoyed my review of the ROKR submachine gun. Hey, if you made it this far, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.